So it's been about 1 month since Galaxy Watch 6 is out, and these are my thoughts after using it for the last 30 days. First of all, talking about the design, I went with the classic model in silver color as it looks really close to an actual watch. The comeback of rotating mechanical bezel makes it look sleek and elegant. Plus the satisfying clicky experience is something that no other smartwatch offers right now. This year we have a stainless steel frame with Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that makes it heavy when compared to Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's titanium frame. Although there is a slight difference in weight, but if you don't like heavy smartwatches, especially while taking a nap, then I'll suggest to buy a regular Galaxy Watch 6 because it has an aluminum frame. For me, my wrist size is about 19cm and 47mm doesn't feel that much big, and I'm really enjoying that bigger display. Talking about display, it has sapphire glass for protection and it can go up to 2000 nits of peak brightness that makes it easily visible out in the daylight. Anyways, I'm totally satisfied with design, and in my opinion, it looks better than last year's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. If we talk about day-to-day usage, this is one perfect smartwatch especially for Android users. I'm using it with my Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'm enjoying all features of this watch like ECG, blood pressure, Samsung Pay and more. Software on this watch is Wear OS 4.0 and it's the latest one that you can find on any Wear OS smartwatch. Thanks to this software, we can now transfer our watch to a new phone without resetting it. Talking about internals, Samsung has upgraded chipset to Exynos W930 and now RAM is 2GB as compared to 1.5GB on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Watch is definitely snappier than last year's 5 Pro, but still Samsung should push few updates to make it even better. Moving on to the most requested part, and that's battery life. Well, battery life on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm is around 2 days, and that's with AOD mode turned off and heart rate set to continuous. With few settings that I have mentioned in this video, you can easily get 48 hours of battery life as compared to Samsung's advertised 40 hours. Link for that video is in description, you can check it out. In my opinion, this battery life isn't on par with last year's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. That was easily a 3-day battery life smartwatch. If you care about battery life, then definitely go with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. For me, I usually charge my watch off and on during the day, and that doesn't disturb me. Health and fitness features with this watch are really improved this year. Especially I'm liking the new sleep tracking capabilities this smartwatch offers. Heart rate and BP measurements are accurate too. Once again, if BP on your Galaxy Watch 6 is not available, you can check out this video on how to enable ECG and BP. Its link is down in description. So overall, my 1 month with this smartwatch has gone really good. I have no issues at all, apart from a bit less battery life. That's because I was using Galaxy Watch 5 Pro before, and that was a 3-day battery life smartwatch. Fast charging on this watch can charge it up to 50% in just 30 minutes. So you can charge it while taking a shower to compensate for that less battery life. Once again, if you have an Android phone, then this is one of the best smartwatches that you can buy right now. But if you have an iPhone, this is not the right smartwatch for you. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.